George, where are you going? Get pepper?
Yeah.
Good job. Can I hold your basket?
No.
Can I pick pepper for you?
Yeah.
Okay. Here, 1,
2. Double.
2,
3.
3,
4.
4,
8.
5, 6, 7,
8. 9. 10.
8,
8.
9.
9. Haná không gì. Thiếu. Tin nữa. 8. Tin nữa.
10, 11, 12.
8.
Oh, we found a red one. Oh, this one is big. Do you want it?
Yeah.
What do you should say?
Can I have it?
Yes.
Can I have it?
Yes.
Can I have it?
Yes, George.
Can I have it?
Let's pick some jalapeno, George.
Yeah.
Can you count?
1. 2.
Good job.
3. 4.
That's plenty for today. Okay, let's go. Give to Mama. Hold that basket. Oh. Uh-oh. Pick them up. What's in your basket?
Bye. Bye-bye.